2020. My name is Mila and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been super MIA, but that's what happens when you go to school and you have 2 jobs and you gotta be a mom. If you are following my other social media platforms, I do have 3. I have my skincare Instagram, I have my regular Instagram, and then I have TikTok, which I am super obsessed with. It is so much fun, although I did got deleted. I don't know why it got deleted, so I had to renew one, and it sucks because I literally was at like 54K, and now I'm like, I think I just have like 24 friends. So, add me on TikTok and on Instagram and my skincare Instagram. So I am having a bad hair day. Ugh. I have not dyed my hair in like months, and you can tell. That's why I always curl my hair, but today I wanted to blow dry it, and I was like, I really need to dye my hair again. I just hate dyeing it because I always gotta cut it, and I'm like, I already have no hair. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how I put on my translucent powder and how it stays literally for over 24 hours. I kid you not, I have my days where like I just fall asleep with my makeup on and my makeup still looks flawless and it makes no sense. But it's amazing. So before I do get started, I just want to say thank you guys for being so patient with me. It has been so hard to get back onto the YouTube platform, but I want to start easing my way back into it, making short, easier videos for people who absolutely do not know how to do makeup. I am not going to say I am a professional, but I am a professional in dry, dehydrated skin. But honestly, a girl knows her. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. I do have some moisturizer on. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Rose Gold Elixir from Versali. I'm gonna add a couple drops and then lather it onto my skin. So I obviously did do my brows. I did add concealer on them too to, you know, just sharpen those babies up. For a primer, I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty. And again, just applying this on my face, a little bit down my neck. For foundation, holy grail is the Fenty Beauty foundation. So I just like to apply this directly onto my face. 3 little pumps. And then with a brush, I'm just gonna blend that baby down. There's really no trick to this. You're just applying foundation. This color is actually a little too light on me. See, I went with this one, but it's done. So then I went to go get another one, but they're like, oh, we don't have the same number, but we have this one, which is like a shade lighter, and a shade lighter actually really does make a difference. So I'm still hanging on to this so I can remember the number, but yeah. I absolutely love this foundation because it dries so quickly and it dries matte. It does not move at all. I appreciate that so much. Even on like on a hot, sweaty day. Oh no, literally the other day, New Year's Eve, there was like a water ball party happening at my job, and oh my god, I got soaked disgustingly, and my foundation didn't move, which was amazing, right? So then the thing about this foundation as well is that it does dry. I'm gonna say it does dry a little bit dark. So right now I do look like a ghost, but like I said, it does dry dark. For concealer, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in Yellow Corrector. I just absolutely love how this honestly highlights my whole entire face. I love highlighting my skin with the Yellow Corrector. If I use like different shades like tans, it just doesn't really like make my skin look vibrant, and I love looking vibrant. I'm pretty much highlighting basic areas. There's like no tips and tricks to this highlighting process. Concealing process. Okay, with a sponge, damp sponge, I'm just pressing the product into my skin. There's honestly no trick to it. It's super duper easy, super fast. I literally always get my makeup done in 15 minutes unless like I'm doing eyeshadow, which takes like another like 20 minutes depending if I'm listening to music or having a conversation or just, you know, partying out by myself. So if I was gonna do like a cream contour, I would do it now, but I'm not. Sorry, there was a hair that was like attacking me. But I'm not. I'm just gonna go with powder. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. No Crease 2020. Okay, holy grail for me is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This I've been using for about 5 years. I will not use anything else. I do not care. Like, I could use other products. I'm sure like brands have like updated their lines or added new stuff or formulas or whatever. But I am gonna stay faithful to my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm just gonna open this baby up. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe. I believe this is a G2, and I'm just gonna get some product. Tap out the excess. I am not baking, just to let you guys know. And I'm just gonna pat this product onto the concealer. You do not need to do this immediately. If you do feel you did crease a little bit because you took too long, whatever, just go ahead and pat it down with the damp beauty sponge. Go in with some translucent powder and just pat that baby on there. I also like to get in between my nose right here. Pretty much applying anywhere that I applied my concealer. I'm not an oily person, I'm dry. So my makeup really doesn't move, thank God. And of course down the nose. And that's it! So now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. I'm gonna use the Tarte Parkway Princess palette. I'm gonna go in with Princess Cut. I am using a Morphe M530 brush. And I'm just gonna add a little bronze to my cheeks. Just like that. Forehead. Not really my forehead, kind of like where my skin touches my hairline, just to add some depth. I personally like to go a little down my chin. Just like the bristles are barely touching my chin. My skin. Well, my chin too. And then down my nose. Do I have another brush? No, we'll just use one. And then down my nose. On both sides. The tip of my nose. Just to make it an illusion of having a really nice little cute tip nose. Sorry, every time I get underneath my nose, like I get really runny. And as I was still doing it. So recently I've been super obsessed with the, where is it? Here it is. The Cover FX Glitter Drops. Super obsessed with it. But before I add that, I'm gonna go in with my Becca, and oh my God, homegirl is dying. This one is in Opal, I believe. Oh, Prosecco Pop. Woo! Baby girl's fire. So I'm going in with a BH Cosmetic brush. Applying highlight to the usual areas. I like to apply up here too. Like on my temples. So whenever I take a picture like this, it's just like beaming on you, like yes. And now for the big shebang. I like to apply this on my fingers because dude, it is intense. It is super intense. Mix it a little bit and then just pat it. And it gives you like an intense glow. Whew. Ever since I've been using it, I absolutely love taking pictures. Like the angle pictures, I will be so extra too. Like, okay, hold on. Or whenever like I'm like having a conversation with my friends and I see like one of our other friends like taking like a snapshot of us, I'll like post for that part. And they're like, Mila, really? I was like, hey girl, you might not know that'll be a good picture of how this highlight is doing. I'm just saying. Always gotta be prepared. And then to finish it off, some Max Fix Plus. Alright, so I went ahead and added some lipstick. The lipstick I am using, or liquid lipstick I'm using, is called Rosebud from Dose of Colors. Lashes I'm using are from Violet Voss. They are called Idaho. So let me go ahead and bring the camera a lot closer so you guys can see exactly what we are dealing with. No creases. I am so obsessed with this, like even like on your smile line, and I have like big time facial expressions, so like nothing, love, love, love. And honestly, it really does last me throughout the whole entire night. Everyone's skin is different, so what may work for me may not ultimately work for you. If you guys enjoyed this little tip and tricks on using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, share it, like it, tell your friends about it. Woo woo! Like I said, no creasing 2020. I do not want to see anybody have this problem at all, because every time I'm out, I always see something. I'm like, what are you guys doing? What are you guys using? And it sucks because I am an esthetician, so the first thing I do look at are people's faces. It's weird. It's not my fault. It just happens because it is in my profession. I examine people's faces. I look at people's faces. I look at their makeup. I look at this. I look at that. So, no creasing 2020. I'll be seeing you guys soon. Bye, guys.